Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Whitestown, local and long-distance movers near me. Any move that exceeds 50 miles is a long-distance relocation, and they're usually very complex to plan and execute. However, we are very competent in managing long-distance relocations because of our staff and standard equipment. We ensure that we provide adequate security to see them through the move, and we are always ready to come through for you at all times. We are very affordable, and with our foolproof moving plan in place, we can get you to your destination regardless of whether it crosses state lines or is still in the same state. We are licensed to undertake the relocation of such distances, and we make sure that our clients enjoy the trip every step of the way. You will also enjoy the benefits of insurance when we handle your move. 3 Movers also provides local moving services in Whitestown. Local moves are not as complex as their long-distance counterparts, but you still need to prepare for them adequately. Our services are affordable as we charge about $30 to $40 per hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Whitestown moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.